To fix the issue of your Venmo name not showing up, start by checking your Venmo profile to ensure that your name is correctly filled in. Open the Venmo app, navigate to the menu, and select Settings. In the Settings section, tap on Profile and verify that your first and last name are accurately entered. If your name is not filled in or is incorrect, update the information accordingly. Next, check your account status to ensure it is verified. An unverified account may cause issues with your name displaying. To verify your account, go to the Settings menu, select Identity Verification, and follow the prompts to provide the required information. This may include your social security number, date of birth, and other identifying details. Another potential cause of your Venmo name not showing up is a glitch or technical issue. Try restarting the Venmo app or uninstalling and reinstalling it to resolve any software problems. Additionally, ensure that your device's operating system and the Venmo app are up to date, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. If you have recently changed your name, it may take some time for the update to reflect across all platforms. Wait for a few hours or a day to see if the issue resolves itself. You can also try logging out of the Venmo app and logging back in to refresh your account. Information: if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Venmo support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem or provide additional guidance on how to fix your Venmo name not showing up. You can reach Venmo support through the app or by visiting their website and submitting a help request.